Namaste. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Firstly, we discuss about the crossover design. Crossover design is the very important design techniques to avoid bias. So, firstly, we will discuss the techniques to avoid bias. The two most important techniques are randomization of subject and blinding of subject as well as investigator. Monitoring of clinical trial and checking original source documents, source data verification and clinical data management, quality control and quality assurance procedure. So the randomization, it aims to obviate the systematic differences between groups due to factors other than intervention. It gives each patient a known or equal chance of being assigned to any of the groups. The most common method of randomization are simple randomization, blocked randomization, stratified randomization, and cluster randomization. So the blinding, single blind design and double blind design and triple blind. First one is subject, investigator and monitoring committee, and single blind, double blind, and triple. So how to categorize clinical trial? Number of participating centers, single center versus multi-center, national versus international, and control group, non-comparative and historical controls, and concurrent control and self-control. So the how to categorize clinical trial format, traditional design for clinical trial. First one is parallel group trial and crossover trial and factorial design, add-on design and randomized withdrawal design and early stage design. The spatial design issue for a small clinical trial. Number one of design and sequential design, decisional analysis-based design and adaptive design. So the factor consideration in selecting a clinical trial design. Study population and indication, treatment duration, carry over effect, and cost and logistic, uh, patient convenience, statistical consideration, and role of placebo in clinical trial. No standard treatment exists, and standard treatment is ineffective. So the role of placebo, the placebo is given as an add-on treatment to an already existing regimen that is not sufficient to treat patients. The disease process is characterized by frequent spontaneous uh, exacerbations and remission. So firstly, we discuss about the crossover design. A crossover design is a modified randomized block design in which each block receives greater than one treatment and different dosing periods. A block can be a patient or a group of patients, and patients in each block receive different sequences of treatment. So a crossover design is called as complete crossover design if each sequence. So the crossover design is randomization. It's divided into two categories. First one is group 1, the second one is group B. The drug A and drug B, the washout period and the washout period and drug. So the crossover design may be used to clinical trial in the following situation, where objective measures and interpretable data for both efficacy and safety are obtained. Chronic relatively stable and disease are under study. So the prophylactic drugs with relatively short half-life are being investigated and relatively short treatment period are considered. So the advantage of crossover design, it allows a within patient comparison between treatments since each patient serves as his or her own control. It removes the inter-patient variability from the comparison between treatments with a proper randomization of patients to the treatment sequences. It provides the best unbiased estimates for the differences between treatments. So the crossover design carry over effect the residual influence of treatment on subsequent treatment period. Concept of washout effect. It is the rest period between two treatment periods. It permits the effect of previous treatment to pay off. It should be long enough for the treatment effect to wear off so that there is no carryover effect of previous treatment to next. This is complete session. This session is powered by the Digital Person 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving.